Hi my beauties, and welcome back to my 4th Christmas holiday glam tutorial. I'm gonna get close to the camera so you guys can get a glimpse of this makeup that I'm wearing. It's super holiday, it's screaming Christmas to me. So yeah guys, if you guys want to see how I got this makeup look, then just stay tuned and let's get ready. Okay, so I'm gonna go in and prime my eyelid using my concealer. So I'm gonna go in with this Cover Fix, and this is a bronzer palette, but I'm gonna use it as an eyeshadow with this color right here. It's called Contour, and it's just like a matte bronzer that's in the color brown. And you're just gonna start applying this all over your eyelid. You want to do windshield motion, so you just want to apply this like this. I'm gonna go in with my número 2 color. I'm going in with a smaller, like, you know, blending brush. I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Too Faced. These colors are super beautiful, and this is the Too Faced. It's a chocolate gold palette. I got this for Christmas like 2 years ago. So I'm gonna go in with this color. It's called Cocoa Truffle. This one right here. This color is going to be used to intensify that brown bronze color. But just go ahead and do this windshield motion, back and forth, back and forth. It's okay if you like go further than your eye. Just get a makeup remover wipe and just clean it. Once you're done blending, I feel like this is the easiest way to like do your eyeshadow. But you know, everybody has their own ways. So now that we have that, I'm gonna go in with concealer. I'm gonna cut my crease and just start filling it in with the concealer. Now that my brush is wet, dip it in the glitter. Just tap to get all the extra out. I'm gonna go in with eyelash glue, outline the top crease line. I almost dropped my glitter. Try to get the glue to dry a little and then go ahead and apply the glitter. Now I'm gonna go in with this palette, and I'm gonna use the lightest shade, this one right here, to set the concealer that we applied. Now I'm gonna go in with this dark black color, and I'm going to start outlining my lash line with this, and then just wing it out. I'm going to be using Maybelline the Falsies Lash Lift. This is the best mascara out there. We are done with the eye part. I'm going to be using a new beauty blender. This is the e.l.f. Camel Concealer Sponge, but I heard it's really good for foundation and everything. It looks like a little webble. I'm going to go ahead and wet this and do my face. This little blending brush is fucking amazing. It's so soft, and it just blends so nice and quick, like literally so fast. Okay, so I basically already contoured and highlighted my face. I'm gonna go in with my Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I'm gonna blend in this color with this one, and we're gonna start bronzing our cheeks. My setting powder, and I'm just gonna set under my contour. I'm just gonna apply my lashes and my lip and I'll be right back. Hello babes, I am back. This is the final look. This is like just giving me Christmas vibes. And you could pair it up with like a red dress and like a little white fur coat. Or you can pair it up with like some PJs if you guys are gonna stay home. Or, you know, you can just pair it up with whatever the fuck you guys want to wear that night. I hope you guys like this makeup tutorial. I'll see you guys for my 5th Christmas glam video. So I hope you guys are excited for that. And make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on your bell notification so you guys are always notified every single time I upload a brand new video. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.